use some fabric hood cleaner. I don't know how this works, but spray it on and see what happens.
Over the soap.
Huh?
Over the soap.
On top of the soap, yeah. Smells good.
It does smell good.
At the very least, it smells good.
Yeah.
See what happens. I think you just spray it on. I don't know. See what happens, hey? See what happens. Smells good, yeah? Let's give it a blast off. Okay. So really it's the hood was a mess, really dirty, so that's the main bit I wanted to get clean, but some of the bodywork as well, just to see if there's anything I can take up. Ignore this front end because it's all being replaced. In case I get any comments or anything going, you haven't done the wheels or the front end, you know why. Oh, there's a towel, Em. 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 Sorry. Em. Em. Where's the drying towel? Okay, so the car's cleaned, just so I can see like any scratches and stuff that I can take out, basic stuff for me. When I drove it though, it seemed a little bit like boaty, so I'm going to jack it up now and see if there's any play in the front end. Seems right that side. Check the other side. Let's check this side. Bit of clunking, I don't know what that is. It's right top to bottom. There's some knocking noise there. I don't know what that is. So there's a bit of play in the offside front. Not actual play in the wheel, but when I wobbled it side to side, I don't know if it's because the steering lock was off or something, there seemed to be a slight clonking noise and a bit of movement. Again, I could be just complete amateur and it's just like because the steering lock's off or something like that. But if any of you've got any ideas, just let us know, and any other things to check out from the front end, because the parts that we've got, the bumper, the bonnet, the bash guard and the headlights, they're not coming for another 2 weeks or something like that. So in the meantime, yeah, if there's anything I can check out, let us know, and thanks for watching. And I think I'd just be really helpful. Oh, I'd be really thankful. Sorry, if you could just get involved and follow along.